Hey all, welcome to our channel. So previous we can discuss about the how we can dynamic website, how we can writing for SEO title description, how we can do SEO for particular website. Now we discuss option name is called WordPress. I can selecting on a website is called Loan Made Easy. This website I'm selecting from here is option. So in this particular website, how we can optimize SEO in a particular things. So what are the things we can use? What are the loans you category? Everything we can follow this one. We can how we can optimize this option will be in a particular things. So first of all, there is called two kind of plugins will be SEO purpose. When selecting for add new, one is called Yoast plugin. Okay. Second will be all-in-one SEO. So that already we have to install by in a particular things all-in-one SEO plugin. There is a two kind of SEO plugins. One is called all-in-one, second will be here. Simple. If anyone searching SEO things, any kind of plugins, the first prior option will be Yoast and all-in-one SEO plugins. Any which plugin is better to use for the particular. So which plugin we can use more will be help. So particular thing. So we can install this plugin will be here. So when coming to this plugin, this is completely not free. This much of free will be we can utilize from here. So what are the page you design? Everything we can go to your pages or post option. What are the page you design everything? We can go to the home page. There is called coming to the scroll down here. There is option will be called. They will optimize. Here is the option. This is the focus keyword. So what is the focus keyword? Home loans. So there are the several steps we can note down by here. So those options you can select in from here. Business loans, promotion loan, gold loans. Here the focus keywords. Any paper will be suggested these keywords. We have to show by in this keyword in your particular option. These are suggest keyword. These are meta description. These are the meta keywords. What we can give for loans. Okay. Loans providers in Hyderabad. So there is option will be personal loan services in Hyderabad, private finance, money leaders in Hyderabad. We can go for loans in Hyderabad, bank loan agents in Hyderabad. So we can go for it. Keyword. Select option. Anything, first of all, copy from the notepad, paste here. Bank loan agent in Hyderabad. So I'm not copy. So previous we have home is there. So in this, click for update. Now you can refresh. So Control U. The option call is loans in Hyderabad and bank loan providers in Hyderabad. Loan made easy. So in this one, suppose I can target any two to three options, like we can providing for business and personal and professional loans. But all we can adding from here also. So simple we can call it business, personal, professional loans, providers in Hyderabad. So there is option business loans here. In this small change, update it. Control U. Business, personal, and professional loan providers in Hyderabad. Loans made easy is your particular website. So this is the first option will be given by the any particular things. This all will be based on the plugin option. So these are option we can selecting from in your particular things. So it is here. Vehicle loan, gold loan, personal loan, everything will be our latest blog and articles. We can go for it is, we can show this option. So what are the loans you're providing? Everything will be here in a particular option. So those steps we can follow to activate this particular feature. So those options we can writing for here. Next, homepage is done. About page, about us. So about us, we have to go for pages, click for edit. Simple, any option we can go to will be here. For the particular option will be in this here. Page content is a page title. So loans Hyderabad, loan agent in this. So your post content, you can go over this. Refresh. About us will be changing as the particular loans in Hyderabad, home loans, bank loans in agent in Hyderabad. So description about me. Welcome to my judge is a lot of I always say be successful. So like this. So I have to change this option. So that is called so you can derive the everything. Loan may is providing services for salaried and self-employed professional doctors, chart account, and account business, women's, and services salary, and here is the option. So we can copy this option and paste it in this. Click for updated. So those steps you can follow. Previous will be like this, about us, about me, like this. Now you can refresh. They will be changed. Loan made easy, providing business, personal, and professional loan services into salaried and self-employed professional doctor, chart account businessman, and women and SEM. We have to lot of option will be changing for about us page. Depend on page option you have to change for this particular things. Now coming to the services. What are services you're providing for? Personal loan, business loans, professional loan, gold loans, and home loans. We can go to the steps we are here in this. You can select this option. Go for all pages. In this, we have to go for individual pages, services. We can go to the option. This one. Exceed is there, but we have to exceed will be, we can go for it. We can provide in this option. So we can use this option. Click for it, update it. So yeah, personal and professional loans in Hyderabad. So that is adding for in a particular services. There is a fraction of seconds in changing the option. Everything in WordPress that is depend on by your plugin option. So plugin is compulsory important in your particular things. What is the space? Everything will be covered by the in your particular plugin option. So anything will be facing the problem, that all will be, you can depend on why the plugin option will be compulsory important. Refresh it. What are the changes you will be made and what are the we can adding will be here. Everything will be important for the particular option will be here. And what is the your focusing keywords based on the services, that all will be, we can focus by the keywords option will be here is this. That all will be add your focus keyword face will be here. So those steps will be in this. We can providing for options. We can copy here for this one. Focus face in meta description, focus keyword length. So focus phases in your title. So everything will be in your particular things. Now click for updated. Now we can go for refresh. Each individual pages we can change will be like this. There's a compulsory important will be here. This is called page option. In a page option left side, you can see this kind of option will be there. Coming to the post option, what is the options are available? We can come into this. Professional loans. So it's a individual keywords. Best online personal loan in Hyderabad. Professional loans Hyderabad. So professional nothing but what is that you are looking for personal loan and a private finance. Anything will be coming to this in a particular option. Those options we can create here. Select from here in this. So go to loans. There is called professional loans. Here what writing for professional loans is there. So we can go to this option. We all options are here in this. So in this, we can click on this. Here is the tag option. So page wise and postify is one difference. What is your content will be here? This is your particular tags also will be posting for your particular things. So copy the tags, professional loan. So in this, add your description. So simple option providing for in this, copy and paste it. Loan Made Easy is providing for professional loans in Hyderabad, Telangana, India. We are special providing special service salary, self-employed professional, doctor, chartered accountant, and businesswomen and SCMs. So these are the steps you can writing will be here. So simple we can write. So we can click for here and click for update. Is it clear? So those are the steps will be followed. And page wise post what is the different? In a post, you can add the tags option, but page wise, the docs will be not accepted. There is a three is a common steps, but only extra one post option will be here. That is a call. We can use this tags option on your particular WordPress website. So those tags will be held and the particular keywords will be facing your particular option. Those are the steps we can use these keywords and use this particular hash keywords will be increase your particular keyword option to ranking website on Google. So immediately what will the option will be here? Go to search console, click for start now. Once you're done by your particular keyword adding in the particular option, immediately we can do option name is called URL inspection. This is compulsory mandatory field each and every website. So those steps you can follow on the particular option to index your WordPress website based on writing for title tag, description, keyword, and we can do optimize by use on the plugin. So two plugins I'm explain. One is the host SEO, second will be all-in-one SEO plugin. SEO plugins will be lot of plugins are there, but most of the people using for Yoast and all-in-one SEO. Sir, which is better? We can using both. Yoast will be most of the people using for fast index purpose. All-in-one SEO also will be same, will be using for SEO indexing purpose. So those steps you can follow and update your website SEO wise and ranking your website for each and every page and optimize. And any further question in your WordPress SEO, you can ask me to my channel. I definitely will be support you how you can optimize SEO on your particular WordPress website. So based on the WordPress website, that all will be depend on plugin. Free WordPress, paid WordPress is there. In a free WordPress will be different. Paid WordPress will be different. Paid WordPress will be depend on plugin. Free WordPress will be depend on your particular content. So that all will be discussed how you can making free WordPress. That all will show by tomorrow class. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.